Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into a game-changing innovation from Zeiss, the Zeiss ZX1. This isn't just any camera, it's a revolutionary blend of photography and digital editing all in one powerful device. Whether you're a professional photographer or an enthusiast looking for the next big thing, this camera has something for everyone. Let's see what makes the Zeiss ZX1 so special. First things first, the design. The Zeiss ZX1 stands out with its modern, minimalist aesthetic. Zeiss has always been known for their optics, but with the ZX1, they've brought their A-game to the camera body itself. The solid aluminum construction feels incredibly premium, and the ergonomic grip makes it comfortable to hold, even during long shooting sessions. On the top, you'll find the dedicated dials for ISO, shutter speed, and exposure compensation, all perfectly placed for quick adjustments on the go. These tactile controls really give you that classic feel while maintaining a contemporary edge. And now, let's talk about the real star of the show, the lens. This camera is equipped with a 35mm f2 Zeiss Distagon T-Star lens, a masterpiece of optical engineering. Whether you're capturing portraits, landscapes, or street photography, this lens delivers stunningly sharp images with beautiful bokeh. The image quality is simply outstanding. Colors are vivid yet natural, with impressive dynamic range. Even in low-light conditions, the Zeiss ZX1 doesn't disappoint, thanks to its large full-frame sensor. We're talking about 37.4 megapixels of pure image capturing power. But the Zeiss ZX1 isn't just about shooting incredible images, it's also about making your entire photography workflow faster and easier. Here's where things get truly interesting. The ZX1 comes with Adobe Lightroom built into the camera itself. That's right, you can shoot, edit, and share your photos directly from the camera. Imagine this. You're out on location, you take a stunning shot, and within minutes, you can edit it on the go using professional-level tools. No need to wait until you get home or transfer files to a laptop. You can make adjustments on the spot, save your edited image, and then share it directly through the camera's Wi-Fi connectivity. It's an all-in-one solution for photographers who want to be efficient without sacrificing quality. And let's not forget about storage. The Zeiss ZX1 comes with a whopping 512 gigabytes of internal storage, which means you can take thousands of raw images and videos without ever worrying about running out of space. Combine that with the smooth and responsive interface, and you've got yourself a camera that's as much about usability as it is about performance. Now, this camera isn't for everyone. It's a unique tool aimed at photographers who value simplicity, convenience, and efficiency. It's perfect for creators who want to focus more on their craft and less on juggling between devices. However, with that innovation comes a premium price tag. But for those who can justify the investment, the Zeiss ZX1 is an absolute powerhouse. So, is the Zeiss ZX1 worth it? Well, if you're looking for a camera that combines exceptional image quality, integrated editing capabilities, and a streamlined workflow, all in one beautifully designed package, then absolutely. Zeiss has created something that feels truly next-gen for photographers on the move. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this deep dive into the Zeiss ZX1, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you think of this innovative camera. Until next time, happy shooting.